Welcome to your quick 10-minute cardio workout. It is day 3 of my Daily 10 program. If you're ready, give me a thumbs up and then follow along. We're starting right now.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. No one ever meant to do you wrong. You were all that I needed. Didn't see the person I'd become till it was too late to change it. I tried to convince myself that you were right, and my fears, my faults, they multiplied. I know I need you back, I can't lie, to bring me back to life. No matter where I try to run, the darkness surrounds me, but I never have to fear the dark. Yeah, you know how to find me, 'cause when Say you love me, say you don't. Just give me something so I can move on. Pull me closer or push me away. Let me know if we'll be okay. 'Cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out. 'Cause I won't stay awake till morning, I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 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 I've been patient with your love. Sometimes you don't show it enough. And I wish you could open up and take my worry in and make it stop. 'Cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out. 'Cause I won't stay awake till morning, I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. Say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. I can't wait. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever.
All right, that's it. Nice work, guys. If you like today's cardio workout, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this challenge with a friend. I'll be back tomorrow. We're going to switch things up. We've got a 10-minute yoga session ahead of us. I hope you guys are enjoying this program so far. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, I'll see you at the next one.